Hello guys, so good day. In this video I am going to teach you how to send files through your Facebook without using your laptop, instead using your mobile phone, your smartphone. So the first thing you need to do is to open your Facebook on your browser. So you open it and then you enable the desktop site. You check the desktop site and then it will appear like this. But still you cannot send a file with this type of Facebook in your mobile phone. So what you're going to do next is to edit your URL. You're going to edit it. Instead of letter M, we change that into www dot, and then just enter or press OK, and then your Facebook will look like this. So after your Facebook turned into this desktop site format, you need to go to the messenger, or you may check your friend's name here on the chat box, and then you click it and then you send. It's quite loading, but anyways, since it's loading, there are other ways also for you to send a file through your phone, from your phone rather, through Messenger. So there are smartphones, I don't know for our iOS users, but for some Android users, they can send directly the file from the file manager, and then they just have to long press that particular file, and then it will show them options on what to do. So they just have to choose send or share. So I'll demo it to you while we're still waiting for the Facebook to load fully. So I proceed to the file manager, and then I'm going to proceed to the documents, and then I just have to long press this file, and then I have to select send. But in this case, my phone is Oppo A5s, so I don't have here Messenger. But there are some phones who can send files by just simply doing those steps or that step. So unfortunately, my phone cannot do that. So let's go back to our browser.
So after the browser has fully loaded, you just have to click the name of your friend you're going to send the file with.
So after clicking the name of your friend, a chat box will open. So just press the picture button beside the plus button, and then options will appear, camera, video recorder, files. So of course you choose files, and then we are not sending pictures, so we will go here and then choose for the file manager, and then choose the storage of the file you are going to send, and then look for that file, and then just simply press OK, and then it will be uploaded in your friend's inbox, and then you just have to send it by clicking that arrow, by pressing that arrow button. So after that, it has been sent. So reminder, do not exit the browser when the sending is not yet done, because it will cancel the uploading of the file. So if you want to check if the file was really sent to your friend's inbox or to your inbox, so what you just need to do is,
And now check it on your Messenger app if it was really sent. And it successfully did. That's all for today, guys. Thank you. I hope that you're going to share this learning to others so that they will know also and can be able to send files through their Messenger using their mobile phones. Thank you.
Hi guys, maraming salamat sa panonood. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And like and share na rin po ang aking mga videos. And hit the notification bell para updated po tayo sa ating mga techno tutorial videos. Maraming salamat!